Have I got the light right? Where is the light? There is the light. There it is, right there. Good morning, everybody. Hope you're all doing well. You join me outside of Birmingham New Street railway station, the Grand Central terminus, because we are going to be going on a journey, and we're going to be testing out the UK's, at the time of this recording, newest trains, the Class 805 Everos, or as I like to call them, Evero, because that just sounds perfect and rolls off the tongue. So we are going to go in there and get the 0530 service to Holyhead, which is for the two Class 805s, and it's going to be probably a good session all around. So I'm doing this on the morning of the Penkridge vlog. Let me just climb up here. We're going to Birmingham New Street. We've already got our ticket, so let's go test out the Everos. Alright then, folks, well, 7:30 in the background, but here they are, the Evero. I've got to say, first impressions on looking at them, they really do suit that Avanti livery, don't they? With this dark sort of nose at the front and then the Avanti wrap all around it. They really do look it. They feel fresh. They feel right, shall we say. But we have 805001 on the front, 805009 on the rear. Now these are 5-car sets. There is going to be a 7-car variation that's currently on test, the 807. We passed a load of them yesterday in Oxley. So we're going to go and get on board, and we're going to see what they're all about. I think this might be pretty good. Alright, so here we go, let's get on. Oh, I tell you what. Oh wow, do you see that? I saw that, all them, like, look at that. Oh, that's cool. First thing in the morning, that is really cool. First impressions are very good. Right, we are sitting on the Evero. So, the first thing that I noticed when getting on this was the new fresh smell. That was something I definitely noticed first thing. Oh wow, these LED boards are just getting better, because as they're flicking along, what the screens are also changing the colour of the lights are going as well. That is fantastic. I love that kind of feature. Now the interior is the same that is in the Pendolino fleet at the moment. This is actually new to the Everos. In the Pendolinos it was refurbished to this set. But seats, very comfortable. You've got these sort of headrests here, so you feel like just, going for a little bit of a kip while you're on the train. You can do that. Your table comes with charge points. It comes with plug and USB sockets as well on both sides. You have portable chargers on the tables. Whether they actually work or not is a thing though. Let's see if they do work. No, that's a no. So we'll see if the actual chargers work or not. What else have we got in here? Got plenty of leg room as well between the seat and my leg, and certainly the other side as well. Mind you, I am at a table, so that's something. And this A coach as well. I think this is new for an A in a Avanti set. It's got airline seats that are like the L and the R resumers. So yeah, that's definitely interesting. You got a wheelchair space just there as well. Toilet there as well. We'll have a look at that later on in a second as well. And you've got luggage racks overhead. And that's definitely new, because you didn't get this style of LED board in a Pendolino. They were more towards, say, where that one is down there, and also just above where the door was. So that's definitely new. So far, I'm liking it. Just on the Wi-Fi test, we are connected to the free Wi-Fi here on the Avanti Evero. So that's all well and good. I'm just having a look over to see if there's anything else that is here in Birmingham before we leave, but I don't think there is. So I think next up is our departure. Do hope the sun comes up soon. Mind you, it is still before 6 in the morning, isn't it? As we're coming up to Wolverhampton. So we're just pulling into Stafford now, and I have to say, this ride on this 805 has been a very, very smooth one. There on Stafford, just arriving now. Sun is also starting to come up as well. It's a very, very smooth ride, but we've got the high-speed section to come yet, because we go from here now onto Crewe. We had the suburban run from Birmingham to Wolves, then we had the shortish run from Wolves through to here, and now
this is Stafford.
That needs lowering down a little bit. But yeah, very, very smooth. Smoother than the Voyager, I would say. I'm impressed so far. See the sun starting to come up. So I don't know if you heard that we've just literally arrived at Crewe, and this is where the Evero now changes from electric to diesel, because going up the North Wales coast it's all not electrified yet. Hopefully they get up to Chester electrified, so that London to Chester will be a proper electric route. I don't know if that will ever happen, but you never ever know. So now we're on diesel power going up to the North Wales coast. So it'll be easy to see. I'm assuming these are going to be the same as the diesel Azumas and the diesel Novas that TransPennine have got. But you just never know. Dear me. Just finished using the toilet now. Definitely a different layout than what I'm used to. It. Hello. Look at that handsome man. 2 mirrors actually, I've just seen, because you got this little one here, and you got a full-length mirror here, which definitely is weird. For some reason, you have a heater. Don't ask me why. I don't know why we have a heater in here. Maybe it's I don't know, something. Coat hangers. Other than that, I mean, it doesn't look anything else. That's where the tissue is. But definitely a different layout. So get out of here then, shall we? And there we have it, folks, the Class 805 Evero. I have got to say that overall I was very, very impressed. When they announced, did Avanti, that they were going to go to 805s to replace the Voyagers, I actually thought they were a little bit crazy. I would have thought they would have probably gone down the CAF route, or maybe tried something else with Alstom. But definitely the 805s, I would say they are definitely a massive upgrade on the Voyagers. Their weaknesses in the suspension do get exposed when they come onto the North Wales coast stretch between Crewe and Chester, but other than that, I can safely say it was a very smooth ride. It was very comfortable, and it was well worth the ticket. So hopefully you all enjoyed that. If you did, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not already done so. Thank you as well to the channel members. I say this every time we've got another train coming in. It's the one off Shrewsbury. Yeah, I say this all the time. Your continued support of the channel, it does mean the absolute world every single time. If you want to become a member of the channel, it is $3.99 for a membership. I knew that. You get the vlogs. Well, whether they're 3 a week or 2 a week at the moment, I don't know. I couldn't say for sure. But thank you all. I'm going to continue with the Penkridge vlog that we did a few weeks back. I'll leave a link for that up in the corner. I'll see you all next time.